Hey guys, today we're going to be sharing with you some techniques that we do to ensure that your head unit and backup camera has a reliable, clear picture and good installation. So what we do is, it doesn't matter if we're using interface modules from Pack Audio, Link Maestro, or these Amazon units. One of the first things that we do is we add a ground because I don't trust the factory grounds in a world of cost cutting. And the argument is you might be creating ground loops. We've actually never encountered this by doing this. So we add a ground strap and we go to the subframe somewhere. Here I have a stud, an M6 thread, and then I put a stainless nylon nut. That way it locks on and it doesn't back off over time. The second thing that we do is we share the main power and ground for the head unit. We send it to a relay over here and either trigger it with accessory or trigger it with reverse. And on an Link Maestro unit, you cannot power up a camera off the module. You'd have to use a relay anyways. So because the camera is going to share power and ground with the head unit, it's going to give us the best possible chance for a clear signal between the two. And also here, I will add power and ground so we can plug into it, and I can put this plug somewhere else in the vehicle to make it more serviceable, and we use Deutsch connectors. So this is why we add the relay, because typically your voltage is going to be anywhere between 12 to 14.5, typically up to 15 volts. And if you go off the reverse gear, you can see here, we only have 10.8. It's quite low. So that's a big voltage differentiation between the backup light and the head unit. This is why I like the camera to share the same power source as the head unit to make sure we don't have that voltage drop. I'll show you guys the final product. Pop it in reverse. Super clear image. You don't have those lines coming down. Don't have a fuzzy camera. Granted, sometimes you get a little bit no matter how hard you try, but if we don't even try and we put power onto pulse width modulation or something with poor voltage, you're definitely going to get a very unclear picture.
In the car with my day ones, then my dogs, yeah, then my best friends, then my brothers, yeah, my family.